In this lesson, we will learn how we can create a resume and cover letter with ChatGPT. So if you're looking for a job, you definitely need a resume. By creating some great text prompts, you can easily generate a complete resume. And with the resume, you can directly create a cover letter. Let's see how. So here is our ChatGPT. Okay, let me write a prompt for it. I want a resume for me. You can add a random name. I'm Amit. Okay, you can directly mention this that you did master's degree in which technology, in which year, what was the percentage and the university. With that, you can mention any of your internship profile, okay, on which technology did you worked, so that the GPT model understands. Also, if you have done a certification, you can mention some other details, your email ID, you are proficient in which language. Let's say you did MCA, your master's in computers. So you are looking for a job as a website developer. Here I've mentioned, you can mention the job profile you are looking for, and that's it. Let's see what would be the result. Okay, here it is. Email ID, education, certifications, experience, objective also it has created on its own that I'm looking for a website developer job. So this is how you can easily create a resume. Now you can directly create a cover letter from the above profile. Create a cover letter with the above profile. Okay, also you can mention that keep it less than 200 words. Okay, so here is a cover letter. I did MCA, I did some internship and other stuff. Okay, now we can also rename this resume and cover letter with ChatGPT. If you want to regenerate it, you can click here. Okay, you can copy it from here. So in this way, guys, we can easily generate a resume or cover letter, a useful feature for students who are looking for a job. Thank you for watching the video.